Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva Quiz. First, navigate to your Canva dashboard and search for Quiz in the design types. You'll find many templates to kickstart your creation, offering a fantastic starting point. Select a template that aligns with your topic, perhaps a multiple choice or true-false format. This initial step sets the foundation for an engaging and interactive experience for your audience, making quiz creation straightforward and fun. Now, let's make your quiz visually stunning. Canva offers extensive customization options, allowing you to change fonts, colors, and background images to perfectly reflect your brand or topic. You can also upload your own photos or short video clips, adding a personal touch. Aim for a clean, uncluttered design with good contrast, ensuring your quiz is not only beautiful, but also highly readable and user-friendly for everyone taking it. Next, we'll populate your quiz with engaging questions. Canva supports various question formats, including multiple choice, true or false, and even short answer options. For each question, designate the correct answer and consider adding a brief explanation for immediate feedback. Advanced users can explore branching logic, directing participants to different questions based on their previous responses, creating a more dynamic and tailored quiz experience for up to 10 distinct paths. Finally, it's time to share your masterpiece and analyze its impact. Once your quiz is ready, you can easily share it through a direct link, embed it on a website, or post it across various social media platforms. Canva provides basic analytics, allowing you to see how many people participated and their overall scores. Use these valuable insights to understand what worked well and identify areas for improvement, helping you create even more effective quizzes in the future.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.